Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about reverse polarity. I'm going to explain what it is, why it's dangerous, and then how to fix the situation so that way you and your family and your house remain safe. So reverse polarity is, and I'm going to show you on an electrical outlet, is this. You're supposed to have the load or the hot wire on the brass colored screws, okay? And you're supposed to have the neutral wire on the silver screws. So if you have them reversed like this, that's reverse polarity. And the same thing works with the light switch. Okay, so for example, let's say on a light switch you have the two screws that you have on the light switch are supposed to be for the hot wire, the black. And what'll happen inside your behind your light switch is the white wires are just getting connected together, and the white wires, which is the neutral, are not connected to the light switch. And in that situation, what happens is that the power is not going through the switch into your device, to your lights, until you flip the switch. Okay? Same thing here with the electrical outlet example. So if you've got something plugged in, let's call it could be a lamp or it could be a toaster oven, right? Those things all have switches inside, and the switch is expecting the hot wire to go to carry the load to the switch, where the switch lets the power through to the light bulb or to the toaster oven elements or whatever it is. If they're reversed inside the switch and you plug in the device, now you've got power going to your light bulb or going to the heating elements, but it's not really turning on because you haven't closed the circuit. But it could cause a danger. You could still get a shock from it, and you could potentially cause a fire inside the device, and you could ruin the device as well. You could have a situation where it gets ruined. And I've also seen where at night in the dark you could see a faint glow from a light bulb or an LED bulb, and you're wondering, how's that happening? The light switch is off. That could be happening because you've got reverse polarity going on, and there's just a little bit of power there, enough to give it that little bit of glow. The way I prefer to fix it is first to identify whether your outlet is wired properly. And I've talked before about these outlet testers, and I'm going to link to it in Amazon down below in the first description, in the description in the first pinned comment. It's going to tell you whether it's wired incorrectly. It's going to tell you that you've got the hot and the neutral reversed, for example, and then you can make the appropriate adjustment and rewire the light switch. All right, so you would then take the hot wire off of the silver and the neutral wire off of the copper and just switch them. Okay, of course doing this with the power off, and then retest, and then it'll tell you that's wired properly. In fact, what I would do is take one of these, go around your entire house and plug this into every single one. It's going to tell you if you're missing a ground, if it's wired properly, the whole thing. And in this particular one, the two lights on the right hand side will be the ones that will illuminate if it's wired properly. And for light switches, it's really going to be difficult unless you pull the cover off of the light switch and then just peek in there and see if you've got the black wire or the white wires attached to the screws. But that's a really easy way to fix it. And if you've got what appears to be the right wires attached and is still giving you a reading that it's not wired properly, then it could be happening someplace else. It could be happening where you have, maybe you've got some of these outlets railroaded, or daisy chained is another way to put it. Then you go to the next one and check all of them, and until you find maybe one where the wires are crossed inside the box where you're joining them to go to the next outlet. And the worst scenario is they're reversed in the panel, which I doubt that's the case. But that's the way you could identify it. And I would just take one of these just to be safe, to have good peace of mind for yourself. Go get one of these, they're not expensive, and check every single outlet in your house and see if it's wired properly. And if it's not, then you can watch my video on how to wire an electrical outlet set properly, so that way you can then fix it yourself and have a safe home and not worry about any potential issues in the future. If you have any questions on what a reverse polarity situation is, or if you have one that you think you may have, put it down in the comments down below. I will respond pretty quickly. Hope you enjoyed this. Please give me that thumbs up, please, the like, and all those other things. Follow me if you want to see more of these videos. Have a great day, everyone. See you next time.